Hi. My name is Rachel and today I will share with you this video. So enjoy. The search for a cure for cancer has been in full swing for many years. Scientists around the globe are investigating every possible substance and protocol that they can dream up to offer mankind relief from this often terminal illness. Included in this research are many plants and plant extracts that have played significant roles in traditional medicine systems throughout history. In the last few years, interest in research into the potential of essential oils as anti-cancer agents has grown tremendously. For those new to essential oils, they are simply the volatile aromatic constituents of plants, for example, the chemicals that make up the scent of the rose or the pungency of fresh basil. They are complex compounds, very compatible with human physiology, with a host of research-supported health benefits. Two outstanding essential oils researched for essential oil is distilled from the activity. Sorting through the available research published in peer-reviewed scientific journals, one finds two particular essential oils most often associated with anti-cancer activity, frankincense and lemongrass. To clarify, lemongrass is distilled from the grass leaves of Cymbopogon citratus. The name frankincense actually refers to the resin of olibanum trees found mostly in Ethiopia, Somalia and India. The essential oil is distilled from the resin, or sap, of these trees. Both lemongrass and frankincense have a very long history of medicinal use. Frankincense has been one of the most highly valued medicinal products throughout man's history. Lemongrass just happens to be very prolific, but its efficacy is no less valuable because of its availability. Modern research proves ancient medicine's potential. Frankincense essential oil has been noted by leading medical of the essential oil use. A review of the research on frankincense oil is quite amazing, and lives up to this declaration. Using the search term frankincense oil cancer on the National Institute of Health's database produces 34 results as of this writing. Frankincense oil appears to have the ability to distinguish between healthy and cancerous cells in an organ or tissue, and lead to the death of the cancerous cells while leaving the healthy ones unharmed. Research is focusing on the chemical components of the essential oil unique to frankincense, the boswellic acids. These natural compounds have been thoroughly studied for their anti-inflammatory activity, with a significant body of positive results. Boswellic acids can be used to reduce pain and inflammation in arthritic joints, and has even been shown to improve the texture and appearance of skin that may be prematurely aged due to sun overexposure. It is these same boswellic acids that have a profound result when there is cells. It is one of the features of cancer that natural cell death does not occur, and the cancerous cells then in essence grow unabated throughout the body. Cancer cell specificity. The conclusion of a study published in the Journal of Complementary and Alternative Medicine, March 2009, by researchers at the University of Oklahoma was frankincense oil appears to distinguish cancerous from normal bladder cells, and suppress cancer cell viability. This is truly a profound result, when considering what modern chemotherapy does, reduces the viability of all cells in and surrounding a tumor, with the hope that healthy cells live through the process in significant enough numbers that the patient recovers. Similar results have been published for a great many kinds of cancer, melanoma, leukemia, liver, colon and prostate, and anecdotal reports have supported its use in the treatment of breast cancer as well. Evaluated for efficacy. An essential oil from Cymbopogon flexuosus, cf. is a popular species of lemongrass, though other research also shows similar effects from Cymbopogon citratus. This study published in the May 2009 Chemico-Biological Interactions, performed at the Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, examined both in vitro, essentially in the test tube, and in vivo, in the body, anti-cancer activity of lemongrass essential oil. The oil was actually evaluated for efficacy against 12 cancer cell lines in vitro, and 2 in vivo. The results were no less than astounding. Lemongrass was effective at inhibiting proliferation of all the cell lines, though with significant variation in the concentrations required for this effect. The lowest concentrations of lemongrass were needed to inhibit growth of colon cancer and neuroblastoma cells in vitro, a type of cancer of the nerve cells occurring in children. Was noted to also. Lemongrass essential oil was effective at limiting proliferation of a type of breast cancer and a connective tissue cancer. Israeli researchers, publishing their results in the May 2007 Plantamedica, discovered similar results focusing on a primary constituent of lemongrass essential oil, citratus. This natural constituent adds the lemony aroma to many essential oils, including of course lemon, melissa, and lemon verbena. Citratus was noted to also show cancer cell specificity. Liver cancer cells were evaluated in this case, causing only the cancer cells to die off. It appears that lemongrass essential oil, like frankincense, also induces natural cell death in cancer cells, sparing normal healthy cells in the process. These studies and others available through medical research databases are indeed promising, most noting in some way that the low sense and or lemongrass specificity of these natural compounds warrant further investigation. Because of the current climate regarding funding of alternative therapies, it will take either a government wishing to significantly save on healthcare costs, or a large grassroots effort to further the research to a point where specific therapeutic protocols are developed. In the meantime, there are many respected, well-educated health professionals that may be willing to offer advice for those wishing to learn more on how frankincense and or lemongrass might be employed as preventative measures. Please note, this article is not meant to offer medical advice, but simply to report recent updates in medical research. It is not a substitute for sound professional medical advice from your physician or other qualified healthcare provider. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and